Understanding SMART goals.
SMART goals are a proven formula for success. The acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Using this method helps clarify what you want to accomplish and makes your progress easier to track and evaluate. Applying SMART goals to habit tracking ensures your objectives are realistic and motivating.
Configuring a SMART goal in your app.
Start by selecting your habit tracking software. Create a new habit or goal, making it specific. For example, walk 8,000 steps daily. Next, set measurable criteria, like achieving this goal 5 times a week. Most apps let you set reminders and frequency for your chosen habit to help keep you on track.
Making goals achievable and relevant.
When setting up your habit in the software, ensure your goal is achievable. Not too easy, but not overwhelming. Choose habits that truly matter to you, making them relevant for your personal growth or well-being. Many apps offer progress charts or streaks, which encourage you to stick with habits that align with your priorities.
Assigning timeframes and tracking progress.
Add a time-bound aspect by specifying a deadline or duration within your app, such as complete for 30 days. Habit tracking tools allow you to visualize progress through calendars or progress bars, making it easier to stay consistent. Celebrating milestones within the software keeps you motivated and aware of your development.
Tips for staying consistent and adjusting goals.
Review your goals regularly within your habit tracking app. If you miss a few days, don't get discouraged. Adjust your goals' difficulty or frequency as needed. Use app features like streaks, notifications, and community groups to stay engaged. Remember, effective SMART goals evolve over time as your needs and circumstances change.